Okay.
Hi.
Good morning.
Guess where we're going?
Got our cruise shirts on. We're going on a cruise. It's cruise day, and the sun is out bright and shining right in our eyes.
Not a cloud in the sky, so maybe it won't rain on Embarkation Day this time.
Yeah.
So heading out on the Mardi Gras. Why are you doing that?
Because I
Why are
want
you
to.
zooming in on me?
Because I want everybody to see
Zooming on
Pat.
Anyway, so we're heading out on the Mardi Gras.
Yay! Cruise day.
7-day. Going
Yay.
to San Juan,
Yay.
Amber Cove, and Grand Turk.
And hopefully we got good weather.
Hopefully it'll be that way.
Yeah.
So, anyway, so you know the routine. We'll bring it to you when we get there. We might go outside the ship and into the boat ramp, give you some close-ups.
Yeah, we might get some pictures before we get on the ship. But we made really good time from Tampa, so we're very, very excited.
That's why we like
Cruise
to
day!
Saturdays and Sundays rather than weekdays.
Yeah, but I was surprised the traffic wasn't bad even on Saturday. So we're excited, and we're going to be on the Mardi Gras soon.
See you there. There we got the Vista, the Norwegian J, the Disney Fantasy, the Voyager of the Seas, and the Mardi Gras, which you can't see. We're too far away. But we are going to Terminal Tree. So when you come here to Port Canaveral now and get on the Mardi Gras, don't park on level 3 anymore.
Yeah,
They're making you board down here on deck 1.
Yes.
So might as well get down as close as you can.
Always
The
changes.
fire marshal. I'm not sure what that garage has to do with the fire. It's concrete. Whatever.
We'll do what they say. It's ground 1.
Oh, we got to do what they
It's
say.
cruise day. We're happy. Yeah. Change is always good sometimes.
Alright, so now you're down here on deck level 1 to board. Normally you come across that, into there, and right into the terminal. No longer. So one thing that Carnival probably needs to do, this is the priority line, folks. This is the priority line. Those are the lines for people with just boarding times that don't have priority. I get it, we'll go first. But the problem with the priority line here is it includes platinum, diamond, suites, faster to the fun. So all it does is just make a long, long line. You need to work on that, Carnival. All right, here we are in the terminal at Port Canaveral, Terminal 3, in the Diamond Suites and Wedding area. And we are off. Well, not off, but on our way. Where are we going, babe?
We're going to our muster drill, then we're going straight to our room to put away our stuff.
And what
Here
is
we go.
and what is that muster drill at?
C8.
Is it in here? Could it be in here? Oh, why couldn't it be in there? In the casino. We are at Miss C8. This is Miss C8.
Yes, hello.
Can we get some sushi while we're here? So we checked in at the muster station. We were done in like, I don't know, maybe 8 seconds.
Yes.
Because they go, you've been on the Mardi Gras before? We go, yeah. They go, just come to sushi.
No, don't rat them out.
So we're good. No, they did their little thing.
Yes.
So and now we're going to guest services to get a fan because that's the new thing now.
Get hot.
She's hot.
Hot, baby.
Anyway, so we're going all the way get back to guest services, tell them we want a fan in our room. Okay? Then we're going to go to our room. Drop our stuff off, and then the party begins.
That's a good.
Babe, that's our table.
Yeah.
That's our table. That is our table.
Ready to eat.
That's where we sit every time we come on this ship. Right, plenty of towels. They are the old towels. They're not the new ones like they are on the Vista. And it's kind of quiet out here still, and we've been almost on for an hour. What'd you get now, babe? Just fries?
Yeah.
She just got fries from Street Eats down there.
They're good.
I went and got, I know this is going to shock you, but they got jambalaya, chicken, and potatoes. Roasted potatoes. And remember, salt always goes toward the front. Now here we are in Summer Landing, deck 8 aft. And our favorite bar, right over there. The watering hole. All right, we got broccoli. We've got potatoes, yams, macaroni and cheese, and jambalaya, and chicken noodle soup. We've moved to Serenity, where it's actually nice and quiet out here. And then we're gonna head back to the main deck, deck 16, later.
This week, give me an oh yeah! All right, follow my lead. This one's called Follow the Lead Up. My repeat cruisers know this. You're gonna take those hands, bring them up, bring them up, bring them up, bring them up. At the top, you clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Bring them down, bring them down, bring them down, bring them down. At the bottom, you're gonna go, oh yeah! No, you're gonna go, oh yeah! Oh, there it is. Sorry, man, I'm gonna put my crotch in your face. Okay, DJ, let's do this. Here we go. Because we need to do a tradition, a cruise ship tradition. So can I be backing up just a little bit? And then let's see, you two come over here. Yes, that's right. And then let's see, I got you. Man, can you come over here and help me out? I need your help. I need you, okay? Come over here, darling. All right, I got my 3. Hey, there we go. All right, back, back. Back it up. Thank you, DJ Renzo. Okay, let's meet these three. Yeah, you can face everyone over here. What's your name, hon? Patricia. Patricia, is it your birthday, Patricia? Happy birthday. All right. And where are you from, Patricia? Where are you from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. Okay. Sir, what's your name, Mr. Cowboy?
Johnny from New Hampshire.
Johnny from New Hampshire. All right, and what's your name, boo?
Hi, everyone.
Each other in our Mardi Gras dance-off competition. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna go one at a time, and you're gonna take this dance floor, and you're gonna show us those moves. All right, DJ, let's play that track. Here we go. Yes, I love this country song. Let's go, birthday girl. Hey. Let's play it. Let it play. You can let it play. Uh-oh. Just started the nightclub up here, okay? So this is it. Okay, audience, you will choose your favorite one person and one person only. This is not the time to be nice. Just choose one person, okay? Y'all make some noise for Mr. Johnny over here. Let him hear it. Thank you, Mr. Tuck and Roll. All right, y'all, let's hear it for Miss Patricia, birthday girl. And give it up for party animal Evelyn. And the winner is gonna be Evelyn!
Deck 6 in the Central. All right, so we're here for a raffle for $500 free play. We're here in the Comedy Club, and we're gonna win it.
Yeah.
We'll let you know in just 1 second if we won it.
Lucky.
We're lucky.
Shot.
Okay. 12468 Charles Austin. No? What in the world is going on? Okay. Here. Deck 5 again. All right, 5305, Jan.
We're going, babe.
We're not going, we're already here, and we're at dinner, and I think it was a table by itself, with a big group, and I'm like in shock,
My fault.
but we are at dinner.
Okay. Shrimp cocktail for me and roasted tomato soup.
Our screen room, but
What do you think Terry got? The short ribs, which look yummy. And I got the Cobb salad.
Something else with your salad?
Good evening. Well, we had a good day today, except Terry got a little sick this afternoon, so I'm doing the closing video by myself. Then I'm gonna go check on her, probably go to bed. Broke even in the casino, so that's a good thing, I guess. And got a bunch of points. See if we can't get us some free sushi and off those points. Anyway, had a good day. Seas are nice and calm out here, as you can see. I'm at Summer Landing here in the back on deck 8. And other than that, had a pretty good day. So anyway, so no chocolate martini tonight. We'll make up for it tomorrow night. Maybe we'll have 2. 2. Anyway, all right, so going back to old school. And we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a sea day. The day after is a sea day until we arrive in San Juan. Alrighty? So go check on Terry and we'll see you soon. Bye.